Guys, I'm back at it with another video. So today we're going to be doing a coilover install on this IS250. I never did an install on my 350. It's on jack stands right here. So we're gonna show you how to do it on 250. Same thing, 2006 to 2013 IS250 and IS350s should be the same thing. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is jack up the car, put on 2 jack stands. So usually I put it on all 4, but since I'm on 4 right now, I'm only gonna do 2 at a time. So we're gonna start at the front and then move to the back. So just lift up the car and put the car on jack stands. So I took the wheel off. We're gonna start with the front like I said before. So the first thing you want to do is remove this 10mm bolt, and then after you do that, you're gonna want to loosen the coilover from right here. So this nut is a 19mm and the bolt is a 17. So these 2 ratchets or 2 wrenches, whatever works easier for you, loosen this up after you take that out. And then after that, you're gonna want to remove this pin right here, and I believe it's a 17 as well. I'll check right now. Let me do all this first and then we'll get to that. All right guys, so I was right, it is a 17mm. After you take out the cotter pin, you just loosen it up. The way I did it last time, I like lined it up to right here, and I got a hammer, mallet to be exact, banged it out so you can pull this out. But I low-key messed this up last time, so instead of doing that, if you guys don't have anything else, do that. But if you guys want to get your hands on this, I got this at Harbor Freight like a while ago, I think for $5-10 bucks. I forgot how much it was, but basically you put this in right here, you line it up with the nut, and then you start tightening it and it'll pop it out of place. So let me fix this and show you guys how to do it exactly. All right guys, so as you can see, I have it like this. I didn't show the other side, but I'll show this side. Hopefully it doesn't pop out at. Just like that, it pops out like nothing. There it is. You're gonna want to now remove the 3 bolts that are at the top, or the nuts I mean, 14mm, and then you can finally remove the 17mm bolt that's right here, and you can take out the whole strut. All right guys, so I ran into a couple issues finishing the front. So many issues, man. I didn't even get to finish the back, so it looks funky right now, but I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks clean, but it's too low. So I'm gonna raise it up, I think another inch and a half maybe, see how that looks. Finish the back tomorrow, and then I'll let you guys know what the finished product looks like. So looking forward to that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the rest of the video. All right guys, so for the rear, it's fairly simple. You're gonna want to loosen up this sway bar end link, and yeah, it's a 12mm right here, and it's a 12mm on the other side. Just loosen it up. And then same over here, 19mm, 19 over there, 19 right here, 19 over there. So basically just loosen all this up, and then we'll continue on to the next part. So I pulled out the little nut and screw. I kept this one and this one on here. Next, you're gonna want to remove the 10mm right here and right there, maybe even this one, so you can pull this back and loosen up the 2 nuts that are right there. Alright guys, and just like that, you can pop it out, and you can see this is a 12mm bolt right there and one right there. So 1 and 2, 12mm, don't forget, take them off. After all that, you're gonna want to come to the trunk. So the way I did this to make it easier, I know people like to take off all this. You don't have to do that. When I did my car, all I did was pull this back, and easy access, you can just put it back into place. It's a 14mm. Just loosen them up, take them off, and then the whole strut should just come out easy. Okay, so before I forget, this bolt right here, you're gonna torque it down to 18 foot-pounds. This one's 80 foot-pounds. That one's 20 foot-pounds, and then the top strut tower nuts, it's gonna be 55 foot-pounds. So that's what I got based off of the Google search that I did. I'm not sure if I did the front. If I forgot to mention it, I'll put it down in the description or in the comment section. But yeah, don't forget to torque down your bolts and stuff. Okay, guys, let's see how much the car gets lowered right now. Damn, that's low as fuck. Alright guys, this is the finished product. So he actually wants me to raise it a little bit from the front, but I mean, that's basically it. Let me try to get an angle from the front. I think these are, I forgot what kind of coilovers these are. I'm on TN, as you can see right here, and then these are max speed or something like that. I'll try to figure out. I think he paid like 200 something, 250. I'm not sure how much. Why is it not focusing? What the hell? Hold on. Focus, man. Yo, my phone is actually tripping. Hold on. All right, there we go. I got it to work. So I'm gonna raise it a little bit from the front. I'm not sure how much. I'll see right now, but I feel like he's gonna scrape no matter what, because these coilovers go pretty low, and he's on 17. 17s make a big difference. So if he was on 18s, he'd be a little higher, but yeah, he's pretty low. I'm pretty sure if I put my wheels on there, he'd be about the same height that I am, but I don't know, who knows. We'll see right now. I'm gonna raise it a little bit from the front, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, and this is the finished product. So this is what it looks like. I did raise it up an inch from the front. You can tell the back is a little bit lower, but it looks clean overall. I wonder what this car would look like on 18s. It looks really clean with the 17s though. Let me know what you guys think.